Don't do it, guys. Don't place trades based on what you see here. Please consult your own financial advisors and do your own due diligence. All right, with that said, let's go. It's, what is it, Tuesday? No, no, Tuesday, 11/6. So November 6th. Well, November 7th. Obviously, I'm doing this 2:24 a.m., so it's a little bit late into the next day. Now, I had a very mediocre day. Nothing really happened. Stayed fairly flat. There's a little bit of pre-market action. They boosted me up. I was down actually a bit, but this pre-market action is pretty promising, and so it looks like it's going to be a strong open. I think the precious metals are going up overnight. Um, so we'll see how everything pans out, but nothing too notable. I didn't buy or sell, nothing. I was just kind of letting things play out, and I had some downs, I had some ups. Nothing really spectacular happened. Well, if we look at the uranium though, you can see that uranium, energy fuels dropped 10%, URG dropped 3%, but Cameco was up 3% and URA was up almost a percent. So, which helped offset the losses. My Alibaba is up 2% here that I bought recently, and you know, StoneCo is down a percent. This is the Brazilian company I bought recently. Apple was up 1%, helping to offset some losses, and then just general stuff like emerging markets and whatnot is doing like minor gains. And let's see what China did. China was flat. So, you know, very average day. So I still have about $1,400 to play with. I need to sell some options or something like that with it. So I'm gonna be thinking about what to do with it soon. Hopefully I make the smart decision. I've been doing all right so far. I'm thinking about energy fuels though, and I want to know I have to research because it's been popping and it's dropping. It's been real volatile lately. It had really bad earnings call, like they're burning through a lot of cash unnecessarily, but the stock's going up. So I need to find out what's in it because it's becoming quite a big bet now since I've had some gains in it. Um, so I have 600 shares of sold calls against 400 of those, and I have about $1,000 cash collateral to buy at 250, I believe. Yep, at 250, and it's at 370 right now. As long as it stays between 250 and 5, I'm all right, but it's nicer to be towards the $5 level because that's some major gains. So I have $2,200 in it. It's becoming quite a big bet. I need to look into it more carefully. In other news, EXK. Hopefully, I see this um, favorite company of mine make some headway because there's a lot of negative collateral here. I mean, I'm sorry, a lot of liability. $664 worth of liability, and this needs to go towards $2.50. I really need it to go up by January 18th. It has to happen, otherwise I'm going to be looking at some losses, and that's not going to help my $1 million mark. So this was a good pop here a couple of days ago. I'm not a couple of days ago. I'm sorry. I'm looking at the wrong chart. Right here, um, November 5th, but then it's been drifting lower ever since, and it's kind of worrisome. We'll see if we can get another pop. But anyway, market cap of this company is really shrinking now. It's 277 million. It used to be almost a billion at one point. So, but with these hopefully higher precious metals prices, so we can see some appreciation. Um, let's see what else is happening. I'm gonna be receiving some dividends soon, so that's nice. No, that's gonna help me a little bit. They're not big, but it's really it just feels good whenever you receive a little bit of dividends. It doesn't say how much they are, but I can see it on the phone usually. Feels good because even though some of the trades may not be working out as well, I always know that I'm gonna be getting some dividends, gonna help offset some of those losses, even if I have no appreciation and the trades aren't working out. So it's good. I'm getting about $150 worth of dividends per month, which makes it about $5 per day. I think that's pretty awesome, knowing that I'm receiving $5 a day on dividends. I can maybe make it in India. Maybe I can survive in India or something. Or like I don't know, Sri Lanka, whatever some of the cheaper places. Well, not in the cities in India, but in the jungle maybe, or like in Africa or something. But anyways, um, I need to get that to a lot more than $5 if I'm gonna be surviving here. I'm just rambling on. I'm just really tired. It's 2:30 a.m. But I'm excited for the day, and especially with this pre-market precious metals action. And I look forward to making a video tomorrow about what happens on a more eventful day than today. Today is super quiet. All right. I think that's it. That's all I gotta say. Not much. Just want to make a video just to be consistent. So, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace out.